Hi guys, my name is Erin. I'm one of the registered nurses here at RevitalyzeMD, and I'm here to talk to you about my journey with hormone replacement therapy. When I was in Colorado a couple years ago, I started noticing that I was having low libido, lack of energy, yawning all the time, brain fog, weight gain. So I went to a wellness center and we discussed doing some lab work. My testosterone at that time came back at 4, which is really, really low. So we went ahead and did testosterone replacement therapy in the form of pellets. I didn't really notice much. Weeks went by, a couple of months went by, and I didn't notice anything. 3 months in, we replaced the pellets. We didn't redo the blood work, we just replaced the pellets. Same dose, no change. I started working here in August of 2023, and new job, really excited, but it's a stressful thing to start a new job. I was having trouble keeping up. My brain fog was keeping me from concentrating. I just lack of energy. It was very disappointing. So Dr. Durst came to me one day and said, why don't we test your blood, see where your testosterone level is? At that time, it came back at 46, which is better, but still really low. So we went ahead, at that time I was due for my pellets anyway, and so we replaced them with a higher dose. A few weeks in, I started noticing that I had more energy, wasn't yawning all the time, I was able to keep up at work, and I was learning new things, I was excited. I was also noticing that my sex drive was back, and that was really exciting. I wasn't yawning all the time, I had my sex drive back, I felt like I was able to concentrate. So these are all the things that I was looking for. That was the whole point of doing hormone replacement therapy. So very excited, and now I'm on my 3rd round of pellets. We haven't changed my dose because things are going really well, but we do my blood work every 3 months just to make sure that everything's going well. If any of the things that I've talked to you about today, any of the symptoms I was having, if they sound familiar or just piqued your interest, give us a call. Our providers are fantastic, extremely knowledgeable, and we would love to be here for you and follow you through your journey and help you all along the way.